this video we are going to evaluate this integral. Here is the question: integration cosec cube x dx. Let I is equal to integration cosec cube x dx, and here we can here power 3, so we can split into square and 1 power. So cosec square x cosec x dx, and we know that cosec square x is equal to 1 plus cot square x, and here when we find out cosec x, so other side is square root, and this is 1 plus cot square x. This cosec x value we can substitute here, and cosec square x write as it is. So here we can substitute 1 plus cot square x dx. Here let cot x is equal to t. So when we differentiate both sides with respect to x and with respect to t here, so minus cosec square x dx, and when we differentiate t, so dt. That's why we didn't put here cosec square x, because we got when we differentiate, so cosec square x dx. Okay, like this. Now integration will be, so here cosec square x is minus dt, because minus transfer this side, so minus dt, it means this, and this value is minus dt. Okay, and square root 1 plus cot square x is here t square, and this is minus dt, so we can write here dt and minus in front of this. Okay, when we integrate we can use this formula here: integration square root x square plus a square dx. So we can compare with this one here, x value t and a value 1. So answer is x upon 2 square root x square plus a square upon 2 log here x plus square root x square plus a square in the this mod value. Okay, absolute value. So integration is negative, and here x value t, a value okay, here t upon 2, and a value here 1. So t square plus 1 square, it means 1, minus here a square, a value 1 square divided by 2, and log absolute value x, but here t, okay, plus t square plus 1 square is 1 absolute value, plus c. In this equation we can substitute here t value cot x, so minus cot x divided by 2, and here cot square x plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 log absolute value t value cot x plus square root cot square x plus 1 is close, and this is c, minus cot x divided by 2, and this value we know that this is cosec x, minus 1 upon 2 log absolute value here cot x, and this is cosec x plus c. Now we can simplify, So we can write negative cot x cosec x divided by 2 minus 1 upon 2 log, and cot x we can write cos x divided by sin x, and cosec x we can write 1 upon sin x. Use trigonometry formulas here. So if you have good knowledge of trigonometry, so this question you can solve very easily. Minus 1 upon 2 log x, no, just log, and here we can simplify this. So this is cos x plus 1 divided by sin x. Absolute value close, and this c. C is any arbitrary constant. First term write as it is. It is already in simplified form. Minus 1 upon 2 log, and here we can use trigonometry formulas. So cos x plus 1 we can write 2 cos square x upon 2, and sin x we can write 2 sin x upon 2 cos x upon 2, okay, plus c. So I used here this one cos x plus 1 is 2 cos square x upon 2. So actually in trigonometry we know that cos 2x plus 1 is 2 cos square x, and sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. So actually here we did half. So cos x plus 1 is equal to 2 cos square x upon 2. Okay, I customize this. And here sin x, theta value just half. So 2 sin x upon 2 cos x upon 2. I use this. Okay. Here first term write as it is, cot x minus cot x cosec x divided by 2 minus 1 upon 2 log, and here 2 cancel. Here cos x upon 2 1 cos x upon 2 cancelled by this in denominator cos x upon 2. So here just left cos x upon 2, 1 left here, and here sin x upon 2 plus c. So minus cot x cosec x divided by 2 minus 1 upon 2 log, here um, cos x upon 2 divided by sin x upon 2, we can write cot x upon 2 plus c minus cot x cosec x divided by 2 minus 1 upon 2 log. Here we can write 1 upon 10 x upon 2 plus c. So here we can use log property, but first term write as it is. Here this become positive because here according to log property, here 1 upon x 10 x upon 2 we can write 10 x upon 2. So this negative, actually this inverse, and inverse goes here, so it will be positive. Okay, and this is our final answer. So very simple question. Here you have to good knowledge about trigonometric formulas and this integration formula. So this question very easy. But if you have any doubt, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.